The point is, I wanted to share just a little piece, just a slice of what we are absolutely in love with.
Hey everybody, it's your dude Black Hat here. It's kind of a special day today. We are out here with Larry Chen and Canon cameras. They are testing out the new flagship camera, the R1, and Larry invited us, Terra crew, out here to be the subjects of a lot of the photos and some of the articles that these guys will be writing about. So we got Blake out here.
Yeah!
We got Scotty, we got Brad, we got Adrian, we have Chris, Eric, Ducky, Anthony, West brought his new Tundra out here. I have the Forerunner out here. So we're gonna have a really quick morning. We got about 3 or 4 hours to shoot. And so we're gonna take you guys along with us. This will be released after Canon gets all their stuff released and all that kind of stuff. But we wanna take you guys with us along the journey today. So stay tuned. We're gonna stack up some bangers. We're gonna have some cool photos to share after this, and yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. Out here in Johnson Valley, we're at Lasertown. Awesome spot. We love Lasertown. So here we go. Let's do it.
guys having fun? Okay. We'll load up in our same vehicle so it's not much confusion. I think we'll do a couple swaps with race trucks, and then we'll get to the next location, and we'll just get a couple more shots, and then we'll call it a morning. You guys having fun?
All right, so that's a wrap for today. Huge thank you to Larry for inviting us out here and getting some cool content of trucks and testing out this rad new camera that Canon's got. So, and thanks a bunch, man.
That was just, I have to say, that was so much fun. I just dreamed that it would be that smooth, but I could not believe how happy everybody was. All the journalists were able to get incredible shots. You guys killed it. Chris killed it in the Eisenhower truck. Blake, of course, Wilkie, the motorcycle guys. It's just amazing. I'm just so lucky to be a part of this incredible community, whether it be on or off-road. The car culture is just so strong, and it's just something that we just can't even hold back, you know? Yeah. Like, for me, it's about sharing it with these people that they're not a part of this world, you know? This is what we love and this is what we live. But these individuals they've never been in the desert before, let alone seen jumping, roosting trucks, you know? So the point is, I wanted to share just a little piece, just a slice of what we are absolutely in love with, you know, something that we live and breathe. And their reaction, it really showed.
Yeah. It's really cool that we were able to shove some of these guys and gals in some of these trucks. You know, we were talking up on the hill that like we're so numb to the off-road culture and the off-road world that you know, it's pretty much this is all I shoot is pre-runner stuff and all that kind of stuff. But to see these, you know, fashion photographers and landscape photographers and concert photographers come out here and get so excited about seeing this, you know, these machines and what they can do, you know, just kind of puts another fuel to the flame of us, you know, being able to do this kind of stuff. So it was really cool.
I mean, we had the 3 big news agencies out here, Getty, Reuters, EPF, or what are the other ones? And also, like, legit the world's best surf photographer out here.
Oh, right on.
You know, and he's going to go teach surfing right now. So this super hard act to follow, honestly. Like, there was some land surfing going on, you know?
Right. Well, now you know who to call. You call the Terra boys.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a good time,
They're
you know what I
cool
mean?
guys.
And you know, usually when we come out and film with the Terra guys, it's like herding a bunch of cats, you know, and so it'll take us all day to get, you know, a good YouTube video out of it, you know, but
Speaking of herding cats, could you imagine? We had to herd like 30 journalists plus all of my guys and all the Canon folks. And it's like when they see, I realized why they weren't moving as fast as I wanted them to move. It's because when you guys started jumping, when you guys started doing the roosting and everything, they just froze.
Yeah.
Like deer in headlights,
Yeah,
because
they didn't know what to
they've
do.
never seen anything like that before, and they're like not really sure what to do.
Yeah.
But one of the things I always like to talk about, you know, the big thing, the reason why I'm here and the reason why I'm a Canon ambassador, and I have been for so many years, is because of the education portion of what I do.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's not about me being a good shooter, me having a following, all that. It's more so that I'm just trying to get people behind the camera to take more pictures of these vehicles, of cars and car culture. And if you watched me today, I wasn't actually doing any teaching. I wasn't doing teaching at all. I was just getting them in front of the cool action, and the photos and video will happen themselves. You see it, you know it, you know? When you look at this incredible roost or them hitting this berm or the whoops or whatever, me just getting them to that position, to that place, to that very moment, the 2 seconds when the shot is available is the hard work. You know, that's all the hard work, and then it's up to them just to release that shutter and just get these great images.
Yeah, yeah. And I think we're going to have a slew of awesome images to look at after this morning for sure, man. But once again, man, thank you so much. We appreciate you big time for hitting us up and letting us come out and shoot with you, being your subjects for the day.
What a dream shoot.
And it went so smooth. Like, you know, that was the whole thing. I was like, it's so
good.
smooth, man.
Knock
Okay,
on
we're
wood.
done. Yeah, we're done at 10:50, bro. Like, I was like, heck yeah, you know? Anyway, so that's a wrap for today, you guys. I hope you guys liked the episode. Again, thanks to Larry. Thanks to all the boys that came out and were subjects today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.